704, everything like if I was to do if I had a live account. Now we're trying to hold above these highs. Forgot about this shit right here. Fucking banked. Because if you can't even do the small things, you're not gonna be able to do the big things. Or something, it doesn't fucking matter what you want to be, but you need to fucking study. Everything that you want to be and need to do needs study. Like, see, oh, hold on. So it's 704. I'm in 2 contracts for, you already know, paper trading 2 contracts, but just until I fund my account, and I'm doing everything like if I was to do if I had a live account, and this would have been a fucking amazing trade. This is Qs right here. This is off the breakout. And also on Amazon had a really nice setup. I wish I was like actually had money in my live account, because I would have also took this. But this is the 200 EMA right here, and that we're basically retracing to, and now we're kind of breaking out of this like downtrend that we've been in for like the past past week actually. Like, look at this big downtrend that we're in, retracing to this 200 EMA, and we couldn't get below. We barely touched it right here, and honestly I got entered off right there because that was gonna be the best risk to reward. So if it were to go below, then I would have just been wrong, and I would have just got stopped out. So the trade would have I would have just been wrong. So nothing really would have been that bad. But if I entered right here and I was right, I have all this potential to be right. So I think this was the best risk to reward trade. This is the Amazon contract. Also, the first TP would be hitting 2 on Qs, barely about to, almost there, just edging that shit. After these first TPs would hit, I'm going to trail my stop losses. So basically this will be a break-even trade if I were to be in it. Every trade that I'm trading with usually should be at least 3 to 4 contracts or more. And that's just so I can trim profits and trail my stop loss. But yeah, let's see what would have been up on Qs too. This would have been first TP on Qs, 88. And imagine times 3 too. Alright, I'm about to start my workout at 7:41. I already took my trades. You can see I didn't get to take a screenshot where I would have took my TPs at, but you could see on where I marked out the levels. Excuse me, where I would have took the trade. But right now we're just retracing back down here to this 5-minute fair value gap, and we're kind of consolidating. But yeah, I'm already out of that trade, or basically I would have already been out of that trade. At least my first TP would have been, and this would have just been a break-even trade at this point. So yeah, I'm gonna start my day, work out, get everything going. Also on Amazon would have been a fucking killer trade too. Look at this. See, we ripped, and I entered down here somewhere, but we've been ripping. Now we're trying to hold above these highs. But yeah, today's cardio and abs, so I'm gonna get that going. I'll tap in when I get back to the crib. Oh, and I got the sauna to go. Forgot about this shit right here. Just got out the sauna. About to go take a shower right now. And I'm gonna talk about something when I get back to the crib. Alright, I'm back at the crib. And bro, like I told you, we would have fucking banked. I would have took profit right here already though, low key. QQQ. I would have probably already exited it since it's just been chopping right here. I don't like how this price action is moving. But you are about to tap this level again. But you're kind of making lower highs. Not something that you kind of want to be seeing right now. Take my screenshot last, because that's where I would end it. That's where I would have exited. Boom. QQQs ain't really doing shit. It's just kind of just in this range right now. But good shit on Amazon, like I told you, bro. I called this out earlier, bro. This fucking Amazon trade was the one with the best risk to reward, bro. Because you're dead ass just tapping this EMA. If anything, you could have literally got into the bottom at the EMA. Put your stop loss like down here, at least a little bit below. And look how much, bro. That's already just the first TP of what I would be targeting is already a 3 to 1 or 1 to 3 or something like that. 4-hour time frame, you can see that we just created this base right here, and this is our new support level. That would basically end off my trading day. It's 11:34, and yeah, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of the day I got. I'm probably gonna read and do a bunch of other stuff that I gotta do, which actually is a really big thing. And that's something I also wanted to talk about, is that the way you do anything is the way you do everything, or how you do anything is how you do everything. Which basically means if you half-ass the small things, that means you're gonna half-ass anything that's big. If you can't go 100% during the small things that you need to do, because sometimes people think like, oh, the small stuff don't matter, or this don't matter. Everything matters, but nothing does not matter. Like, there's things that might matter more, but everything matters. So everything you do, it matters. If it's small or big, it fucking matters. If you can't even do the small things, you're not gonna be able to do the big things. I feel like everybody wants to be something, but never wants to study how to be whatever they want to be. Like, people want to be successful, but no one wants to study success. People want to be fit, but no one wants to study how to work out right, or what they need to work out. People want to be a musician, but no one wants to study the piano or something. It doesn't fucking matter what you want to be, but you need to fucking study. Everything that you want to be and need to do needs study. In order to become that person, I think you'd have to have a clear vision and then write it down. Write everything down and step by step on what they do. Study what the fuck that person does. How do you want to be? What do you want to do during this time? When do you want to wake up? And all that stuff matters. Some people think it doesn't matter, but it does fucking matter. It's the little things that matter, and I'm telling you, the little things add up. It's the habits. It's the stuff that you do on your daily basis. Because who you want to become is in your habits. And your habits shape your identity. Your identity shapes your habits. Like for example, as for me, I like to sleep in. Sleeping in, who doesn't like to sleep in? Who hates waking up early? I think everybody hates waking up early. I don't like waking up early because it fucking sucks. You want to wake up, you want to roll back to bed and go to sleep. I'm not a morning person, but I wake up every morning and I get to work and I get everything done. So technically, I'm a morning person, I guess. You know what I'm saying? I didn't say I'm chose to be a morning person. It just happens, you know? Because of my habits that I'm trying to implement on being a successful trader, just because that's who I want to be. I want to be a trader who's successful. So what I'm going to do everything that a successful trader does in their daily basis. If this trader works out because he says it helps to build him discipline, then I'm probably going to work out because I need discipline. You know what I'm saying? Whatever it is, build the habits of the person that you want to become. And you could become that person if you just implement those habits of whatever they do.